So nakapag-check out na ako, and then it's another day here in the island, pero may work ako today, so ayun, mag-lunch lang ako somewhere, and update ko kayo kung saan tayo makakarating. So guys, 2 PM pa yung check-in doon sa SeaWorld. So, I dropped by Starbucks muna for our caffeine fix na rin before ako mag-work. So, nag-order ako ng Eshigen Espresso para buhay tayo hanggang 12 midnight. Time check, it's almost 1 PM pa lang. So, 1 hour something na lang rin naman yung ihintay natin before check-in doon sa hotel. So, ayun. And medyo gloomy yung weather today. So, ayan. Parang feeling ko walang sunset later. But, ayun. Buti na lang may work din ako. So, hindi rin tayo masyadong makakagala today. Guys, pag nagsa-Starbucks kayo here sa Boracay, akyat kayo dun sa rooftop. Maganda mag-photo, and ayun, ang ganda ng view ng beach from the 3rd floor. So guys, nakapag-check-in na tayo at last. Saktong 2 PM talaga sila. Medyo strict sila sa check-in time. So talagang sakto dapat. Ayun. So ayun, natuwa naman ako kasi ang laki ng room na binigay sa akin. And meron pang balcony. So before anything else, let's do a quick room tour na. So perfect guys. Katapat ko lang yung water dispenser. And I'm staying at room B1. 2nd floor siya. Doon yung baba. And ito, let's go inside na. Ayan. So, merong water kettle. Kaso parang walang coffee and tea. And ang bango ng room, guys. Dahil dito sa na to. Sa humidifier ba to? And may kasamang hair dryer na. Ayan, malaki-laki din yung mirror. And ito yung bed. Ang laki, king-sized. And ayan, sobrang ganda ng window lighting, guys. O diba, meron pang pa ganitong effect. And may TV dito. Kaso parang ang baba lang ng TV. And then tanaw dito yung yung parang mini garden ba nila yan. Actually sa gabi nagka-transform yan. Part siya ng restaurant nila. And dyan yung breakfast natin tomorrow. And we have a balcony. O, diba? Ang bongga. And let's check the bathroom, guys. Grabe, ang laki din. May bathtub pa. Bongga. And meron din silang basic toiletries. Ayan. And of course, bidet. And meron ding decent closet space, guys, for your clothes and other belongings. Ayan. Pero pinaka natuwa rin ako dito sa bed. Ang laki. Parang may naging room ako dati sa Bali na ganito yung vibe niya. 'Di ba? Ang bongga. I think for around 2,000 pesos plus lang to per night. With breakfast na yun guys. And sobrang konting lakad lang, beach na. So guys, ayun, na-recommend ko na tong hotel na to before in a previous Boracay vlog. And I'm very happy na dito ko ulit napiling magstay kasi subukan na talaga siya na malinis yung room. And ito, mas bongga yung room na nakuha ko for this stay. Ang laki nung space niya talaga. And super sulit kasi ang lapit lang talaga sa beach. And okay yung breakfast nila rito. So, I highly recommend ulit na kung magbabarakay kayo, you can choose to stay here at Seabird Resort. I'm currently here at House Blue, one of my favorite cafes here in Boracay. And dala ko kasi yung work ko and super reliable ng internet connection nila here. So dito muna tayo mag-stay. So I'll just be having a dessert since kaka-coffee ko lang, medyo busog pa ako. And work muna tayo. I'll update you later. Sana may sunset today. Guys, merong very light na sunset lang. Parang nahiya lang siya, ganun. We are here at Jammers and mag-quick dinner lang ako here dahil naka-break lang ako from work. So ngayon, bilisan lang natin kumain. So guys, the food is here. It smells so yummy. Tara, kain na tayo. So guys, we are back in the room. Sobrang sarap ng dinner ko kanina sa Jammers. First time ko mag-try nung main dish nila. Dati kasi nag-dessert lang ako doon. So, i-recommend ko sa inyo yung jerk chicken. If ever mag-try kayo doon sa kanila, ang sarap as in. And maraming elements yung dish. Merong fresh pineapples on the side.
merong sweet potato chips, and meron ng kasamang dip, yung chicken. Ang sarap guys, as in. And may rice pa nga pala yun. Parang may Java rice na kasama. So, sobrang nakakabusog siya. And ayun, parang tinamad na ako mag-work. Charot. Pero ayun, hanggang midnight, I still need to be up to finish my work. And good night na rin for now. And I will see you in the next part of our Boracay travel series. Thank you for keeping up with this vlog, guys. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.